everybody, welcome to another Stash Smash Saturday. I am working with day 13 sketch from 30 Days of Sketches last month that I didn't get done. I'm working through all the 30 Days of Sketches this month as much as I can to finish them up, and I'm making pretty good progress, so I'm pretty proud of myself. I've got this lovely Cartabella kit. It was a scrap room kit, so there's not much left, so I'm hoping I can smash it. I've got 2 photos of prep for my son's first birthday party. That's what we're going to document. So if you haven't joined for Stash Smash Saturday before, Rebecca Lockhart and I, or as she is known in the beginning intro, is Becky. We decided at the beginning of this year that we have a bunch of collections that we have just a little bit left, or kits or something that we have just enough left of that's like, why haven't we just used it? So that's our goal, is to smash those kits that are almost done. So we're not allowed to switch what we're using until we are done. Our requirements are mostly 12 by 12 papers. You will find I don't have a lot of 12 by 12 papers left in mine. I keep a lot of small things. Becky gives me crap for it all the time. But it's just how I roll. So this is one of those times. And Becky's just gonna be like, Jackie, that doesn't count. But I have so many embellishments in big chunks of paper. See, these are big chunks of paper. Like this, it's hard to throw this away. Like seriously. But anyway, so that is the requirement. But then, to add a twist and to use up more things in our stash, we've also given each other 7 different items. We have to use at least 5 from our stash. So I gave her a list of 7 items, and every month that changes. She gave me a list of 7 items as well. So this month I have to use dies or punches, rub-ons, lace or ribbon, sparkly mixed media, cork or wood, balloons, and use 6x6 or 6x8 paper pads. Okay, so I've already got my sparkly mixed media done because I was just playing a little bit the other day, and I was just spritzing some doilies with shimmers. So I've got some beautiful shimmers spritzed on here. I think this is Forget Me Not. I'm pretty sure. That's what I sprayed on here. So I'm going to use that as my giant doily on my page today. And since I have some creamy colored cardstock, we might do that. Or we might do more. I might add a layer behind mine just to make it pop a little bit more. I kind of like that. There isn't that in the sketch at all, but I really kind of like that. And then I might add this over here with my photos, which I will trim down a little bit too. Yeah, I think we'll do that. Okay, so this is kind of where I'm leaning to. So I gotta find at least 4 more things from my stash from that list to use. I have some ephemera. This was a scrap room kit, like I said, so it didn't come with a ton. It comes with like just a little taste of it, which I love. I love the scrap room kits. So I've got a big sticker sheet, got a few more papers. We've got this other cardstock, which I'll probably just stick in my stash because it's just cardstock. It's not specific technically to that. Do that really quick before I forget. I did grab out some ribbon. So I grabbed a few different ribbons. I have this brown paper ribbon, I have like a turquoise blue, and then I have this red, which, looking at this now, I'm kind of leaning towards the red. That might be kind of cute, and I kind of have an idea for my photos now that I'm looking at that, so I think I'm going to tuck these away. Alright, I think I'm going to trim down my photos. I'll get this glued down, the doily glued down, and go look through my stash for the other items that I'm supposed to be using. So I will be right back. Alright, so I have found a couple things. I rated my kind of embellishment stash. I think is this Echo Park? Possibly. A birthday collection. So I've got my balloon. Got this other little tab. This is Party Time. I think I'm going to slide right in here. Might have to just trim it. I have created tags out of an Ellie's Studio paper pad, if I can find it for you. This one, it was part of a kit I had, so I took one of those 6x8 papers and trimmed her down into 2 tags. Used my lovely punch, used my little reinforcer punch, matted the photos on the back. It was a piece of this, I believe. Yeah, a smaller piece of this, and so it's just the back of them. And then got them layered together. I put some foam dots under the tops of the tags. I really enjoy that. So then we'll put the ribbon in there. But I figured I would do use the 1 and do first birthday prep as my title, and then we can have the little dinosaur with his tag right, or his balloon right there. I also had these balloons out. I don't think we'll use those. I was going to tuck this coffee cup in somewhere. And then I know I have some cork stars, and I don't, because I had them out on my lot for the live we did earlier this month, and I didn't use them. And I have no idea where they went. Unless, did I use them? I don't think I used them. Do you guys remember? I don't think I used them. But I grabbed these ColorCast Design stars that are in this other set of like a bunch of things. So we'll use some of those wood veneer stars because there's stars in the balloon. So I figured stars would work really well. But we'll do first birthday. I'm going to look to see. I have this awesome stamp set from Heidi Swap that has like all partial, like all those word things that you want. All the little words, you know, the transition words. It's like my favorite. Let me see if I can find it because I'm going to use it. I think it has an ST for first. It does not have those letters, so that's fine. So we're just going to use this small Jane alpha stamp to do first. I could do alphas too, though. What am I doing? So then I'll have my wood, my balloons, my 6x8 paper pad, lacer ribbon, sparkly mixed media. So I'll have 5. So if I use dies or punches, or I'd use the punch. I used the crocodile. So technically I used the punch because I made my tags. So I've got 6. So I just haven't used rub-ons, which that's not bad. So I'm calling that a win. We're gonna get some thickers out, I think, for the first. All right, let's get this stuff glued down. I'll find some thickers to go with this. We'll put it all together. I'll get the ribbons tied. We'll use any of these stickers that we think are necessary, and then we'll be good to go. All right, I'll be back. All right, I decided to go with these Ellie Studio Jane tile alphas just because they're really bold and they're like small, but they stand out. And then these are from a crepe paper Maggie Holmes collection. Bloom and Grow? No, something like that. Can't remember at the moment. But I found, so I put the wood veneer stars down, and I found these 2 tickets in that little wood veneer packet as well. One says making this, and this other one says celebrating this with the people I love, which I thought was perfect. There was another one I wanted to use. I just couldn't find a good spot for it, and that seemed like enough down there the way I was going. I'm trying to decide now what else I can use. If I want, I don't know if I want anything else. Some enamel dots would be kind of cool. Or let's just do some Nuvo, huh? Nuvo drops in black just to bring around these little clusters. Let's do a few Nuvo drops. Ooh, this black comes out real easy. Gotta be careful. There we go. Perfect. And those will dry matte because that's what they're. And I'm gonna get a little more glue down on the end of this. And then I'll just journal write a little bit right there about what I made after the Nuvo drops dry. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you go check out Rebecca's channel. She made an amazing page for today. I already watched it because mine's going up a little bit later. But yes, thank thank you so much. Make sure you check out everybody who played with 30 Days of Sketches as well, correctly in March, and by checking out the hashtag. But I will have a playlist of all of my 30 Days of Sketches all together if you ever want to check them out. I also do playlists of any series I do. So if you want to see all the Stash Mash Saturday layouts, there's a playlist, all that good stuff. So thank you again so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.